Have you been looking for myofascial release of the hip external rotators, the piriformis, the gemellus? This is where you can find it. I'm going to show you some of my favorite today, right now. Myofascial release of the external rotators, which can be the gemellus, the piriformis, some of the glute medius area I usually perform like this. I have to bring them into hip flexion, put some pressure on there and really hold some good tension and look for restrictions all along the way. So you can't see, but I'm actually rotating her hip as well, or femur. And it's important to realize that these muscle groups are actually really important to not only externally rotate, because again, they're quote unquote external rotators, but they actually limit how much internal rotation, which when you know anything about running injury, overuse type of mechanics, internal femoral rotation will create knee injuries. There is a cascade of this that I will do a video on eventually, and we definitely have a podcast on it, so p2sportscare.com/podcast. But what I like to look for, again, with this is that we're finding any areas of relative gristliness than other relative areas around it. So this will be tender on a lot of people anyways, so tenderness is not something I typically look for. I like to feel if there's any railiness of tissues amongst the other ones, which is relatively abnormal. So I usually spend about 30 seconds to a minute doing this.